how many of you use disposable water bottles? Okay, I did too for a long time, like especially in high school when I was doing sports. I just thought it was easier than standing there with like a reusable one for like 30 seconds. But then I realized the impact. According to banthebottle.com, the average American uses 167 water bottles a year, and they only recycle 38. So when you do the math, that's only about 22%. So today I'm going to be talking about ocean pollution, what causes it, and the effects, solutions, and outcomes. Ocean pollution is a really big problem, especially when it comes to wildlife, because all wildlife is being affected. So according to the Environmental Journal 2008, scientists have come up with ocean pollution with the term to state that ocean pollution is just like foreign objects in the ocean. So a lot of it comes from trash, and the worst of this trash is plastic. So there are like different types of plastic, but mainly there's microplastic, so that's anything smaller than 5 millimeters. And then there's macroplastic. So microplastic is when it's found in a lot of beauty products, and it's like you don't really think about it when you're using it. It's like in like face cleansers, like with the microbeads, like those like cause a lot of problems for especially fish. And then macroplastic, so that's just anything bigger than 5 millimeters. So the effects of ocean pollution. So according to Huffington Post 2015, all marine life is being affected by ocean pollution. So like every year, 1 million animals are dying because of plastic in the ocean, especially. Turtles, 87% of turtles are dying because they mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, which is what they eat. So they either choke on it, suffocate, or get entangled in it. Even plankton, like with microplastics, so all those little beads, like they're eating those, and then fish are eating the plankton, and then it's just like, it works its way up into the food chain, and it just hurts a lot of animals. And plastic is really bad when it comes to toxins. So the UV rays from the sun, when it like gets to the plastic, it releases a lot of like harmful chemicals. These chemicals are giving like marine animals a lot of cancers, and it's causing infertility, and it just like kills them. And another problem, especially with microplastic, is birds are feeding their chicks plastic on accident. So that's killing like 44% of seabirds. So solutions. So according to the Journal of Environmental Health 2017, there are 4 ways to get rid of trash. So the first way is landfills, which we've been using for a long time, but realistically we're running out of space. The second one is incineration. So that's just basically burning all of the trash. And that's not really realistic either, because we can do it, but it like takes a lot of energy, and it releases carbon into the environment, which is another environmental problem altogether. The third is biodegradation. So that's just waiting for like plastic and everything else to break down. But it takes like about 1,000 years for plastic to like completely decompose. And then the fourth one is recycling. And this one is the best option because it takes 80% more energy to make more plastic than it does to like break down and reuse old plastic. And according to SailorShores.com 2017, another thing to do is bring your own. So, I mean, grocery stores are kind of starting this now where they're encouraging you to bring your own grocery bags. And so that's one way to help. Reusable water bottles, that one is a way to help. Even like when you go to Starbucks, if you bring your own cup, like that's another way to help. And another way is like just staying away from plastic products altogether, like just water bottles and just things with like unnecessary packaging, like with plastics. So now that I've talked about the solutions, I'm going to talk about the outcomes. So like I said, recycling saves a lot of energy, and according to the European Recycling Platform 2017, it does reduce a lot of air and water pollution because of carbon, and you're just not putting more into the ocean. It reduces greenhouse gases, conserves natural resources, and according to banthebottle.com 2017, if you were to drink 8 suggested glasses a day, it costs 19 cents, but if you did that in water bottles, it would cost like $4.98. So now that I've talked about the outcome, as you can see, ocean pollution is a huge problem that's affecting all types of marine life. I've talked about what it is, the causes and effects, solutions, and the outcomes. So if you want to learn more, check out A Plastic Ocean online. It's a free documentary. Just type it in and watch it from there. Thank you.
All right, good job.